how to build up your own robot in Inventor. So first of all, you can download all the parts directly from OEM website. In most cases, if you register yourself, once you download the parts, you create a new assembly. Once you create a new assembly, you place the parts one by one. So first of all, we put the basing. Okay, so we put the base, and we need to ground the base. Now we place the joint 1. Okay. Then we put the relationship. Yeah, we're gonna use joint. I will tell you why later on when we're doing the animation. It's gonna be rotational. Select the first surface. Select the second surface. Okay, as far as I know, the range is from minus 180 degrees, which is the current stages, to 180 degrees. So at the moment, it looks like current orientation is 0 degrees. So that means it will be 0 degrees to 360. And what we want to do is put the current position at 180 degrees. Okay. Let's do the test. We put a drop there. So 0 degree to 360 degrees. Let's test it. Minus 180. 0 degree. 0 degree to 360. Correct. Okay, let's start again. That's the one. Now we put the rotation back to 180. That's the default position. Now we put the second joint. This one. Then we check the joint part. Okay. On the menu, it says minus 165 degrees to positive 135 degrees. Okay. So if this is 0 degree, it will be 300 degrees in total. 100 degrees. Good. Let's put the orientation as up position. So put current position as 300 degree plus 180 equals 120. Minus 180. Yep, so that's incorrect. Okay. Now we put joint 1, 2, 3. Put joint 3. Same. Caspian. Joint. This surface. Okay. Edit. Joint 3 is supposed to be minus 85 to 248. That's 360 degrees. So if it is like that, 180 degrees. So current is that. I put 180 degrees. Yes. Cool. And we insert 4. Joint. Surface. Surface. Looks alright to me. The default angle. That. That. Ah. So joint. This one. That one. So with 0 degree, I will put 180 degrees. Okay. Looks for me. I'll put along the joint, which is joint 6. Okay. 6. Joint. Okay. There's some, let's point the orientation, default orientation is 90 degrees. Okay, cool. Now we have set up our own robot. Now we save it as lesson 3. Okay. Okay. We save the current orientation. Then the key thing is if I grab something, I'll be able to move it. Yep. I can move it. Because there's a lot of singularity, so not that easy, but I can move it. The reason of that I use the joint is in the future I can do the animation, and the inventor will move the each angle according to the end effector. We call that a end effector or tool. So if we attach a tool to the thing, we can move the 2xy. We can actually assign the path for the robot. Alright, that's for today's video. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe.